Oh my God, I've got exciting news. So about 2 months ago, I ordered, let's see, it's June 29th. And on, I think it was February 21st or something like that, I ordered a new thumb for the excavator. Because we don't have one. And I ordered it from Gentec, and it said it would ship by 5/10. So on 5/10 I hit them up and they're like, oh yeah, we can start making it. So I wasn't too happy about that, but went through the rigmarole and look what showed up. I don't know if I'll call it late, but it was a while. Looks fantastic though. Got some extra bushings, new pin, gotta get some hydraulic hoses, got a pin for the top. That's amazing. Came with the cylinder. So I have got to find out what size those hydraulic lines are, and then I gotta figure out what kind of quick couplers I got on here. So I'm gonna inspect them, see if they have some numbers on them, and then I can take a picture and order accordingly. It looks like 4HT0F 5000. Interesting. Just take a picture of that. And that is, doesn't say a size. And we got one on this side. They are a little rusty, a little corroded, but I'm gonna figure those out and I'm gonna get that on there. So I'm gonna figure out the numbers on these things and get the quick couplers ordered, and then I'll go to, I don't know, some hose place and get some hydraulic lines. So stay tuned.